So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin a post to the top of your profile. At the moment, I've got 3 posts that are pinned to the top. As you can see, there's little pins there. So what that means is Instagram has allowed profiles to take their most popular videos or something they want newcomers or people to their profile to watch. It is something that Facebook has had for many years, which they've implemented with Instagram, and it's just a really powerful feature. So as you can see, my 3 pins are 2 interviews and with those 2 ladies there, and the third one is kind of promoting my Surf School. So the one on the right I'll always keep there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, they only give you 3 options, or they only allow you to do pin 3 videos or a post. So I'm going to take the middle one and I'm going to unpin it, and I'm going to pin a new video or photo to the top. So if I go to this video here, I'm just going to put the volume down, and I'm going to go to those 3 little dots on the top. Sorry about that, 3 little dots there. And if you scroll down, it'll say unpin from your profile. So I'll go unpin. So what this does is it unpins it. If you go back there, it's gone. As you can see, the next in line on your feed, the last post will go up, and it'll only be those 2 that are pinned there. So now I don't have to have a third one, but I'm going to. So what I'm going to go to, let me go to my tracking bracelet. This is a really cool video. It promotes wildlife and how to save wildlife through tracking bracelets. And what I want to do is I want to pin this one to the top. There we go. You scroll down. I might have gone a bit fast for you there. So you go to the 3 little dots. You scroll down. It says pin to your profile. Confirm. It's pinning. And as you can see, there we go. It's pinned to the top left. That's in order of the videos that were launched. Cool. So there we go. So that's how you pin a video to the top of your Instagram profile.